So the first question is, a man can row a boat downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water. Also find the speed of the stream. All right. So first, the main thing is we will just write the speed of boat and speed of stream. Okay. So I will take the speed of boat in still water as x kilometer. Speed of boat. Is it visible what I'm writing? Is it okay?
Yeah.
All right. So speed of boat, let's take it as x kilometer per hour, and speed of stream, let's take it as y kilometer per hour. All right, that is what we have got. And then it is told a man can row a boat downstream. Right? So how will you take when it is the relative speed in downstream? Relative speed downstream. So you can keep yourself unmute so you can tell me the answers. Okay? We are trying to have an interactive session so that you could also interact with me for these answers. Okay, so I will tell you relative speed downstream means we will take it as x plus y. All right, and relative speed upstream will be x minus y. So another doubt you may be having is why is this x plus y and why is this x minus y? All right, x plus y speed downstream. Downstream means it's easy for the boat to go along with the stream, right? And upstream means the boat have to take a little bit effort to cross the stream and go. Right, so that is why that's the reason why we put downstream as x plus y and upstream as x minus y. I hope it's clear. So it's given that it is the boat is going in 20 kilometer in 2 hours. That is downstream. So downstream equation will be 20 by x plus y. And that too in 2 hours. And how did this equation come? We know the formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time. So what I have taken is, this is the distance, 20 kilometer, and x plus y is the speed, relative speed. So it is actually distance by speed equal to time. That is how I got this. And in the case of upstream, we have 4 kilometer in 2 hours. So again, the distance is 4 kilometer, and upstream, the relative speed is x minus y. So 4 by x minus y equal to the time taken is again 2 hours. So this is how we get the two equations. So now we have to simplify the equations, right? We can't have these fractions. So to simplify the equations, the first equation would become, we'll just take this to RHS side, x plus y2. So it will become 20 equal to x into 2, 2x plus 2y. Again, I can simplify this, right? All these goes in 2. So by simplification, I will get 10 equal to x plus y. So let this be my second equation, or maybe third equation. This can be my second equation. So on simplifying the second equation, I would get 4 equal to 2x minus 2y. I can again simplify it. So it will go into the whole equation. So it will become 2 equal to x minus y. Let this be my fourth equation. So now it is easy. We have simplified it into very simple equations. Now it is very easy to do the further. So I have got the equation x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. I have to just add them, right? Because plus y and minus y, they will get cancelled. So it will become 2x equal to 12. And then x equal to 6. Now to find y, it is pretty easy. I have to put this x equal to 6 in some of the equations. If I'm taking the third equation, 10 equal to x plus y. So 10 equal to x is 6 plus y. So y equal to 4. So that is how you get the answers. So we have got speed of boat x kilometer per hour. That is 6 kilometer per hour. And speed of stream y kilometer per hour. And that is 4 kilometer per hour. So I hope that question is clear. It is very important because downstream, upstream questions are frequently asked.